If you're having your water service restored after it was disconnected, then you need to flush your pipes for 30 minutes. Flushing ensures that you are drinking and cooking with water that has not been sitting stagnant in your pipes, collecting bacteria, lead, copper, and other sediments. Most people can flush their home properly by themselves, but if you feel you need assistance, you can try calling your local water supplier or a licensed plumber. The first step is finding all of the faucets in your home and ensuring that they have clear drains. Otherwise, you may accidentally have water where you don't want it. During this time, remove all the aerators, screens, filters, or shower heads. And don't forget about your laundry tub in the basement. While you're down there, check to see if you have a water softener. Not everyone does, but if you do, it's important to bypass it prior to flushing. Finally, locate your water heater and close the inlet valve if possible. Once you've completed these actions, you can begin turning on the cold water. Start with any faucets in the basement or on the lowest level of your home. Then go to the next floor up and open all of those faucets. Don't forget about the tubs and showers. Continue this until all faucets on all floors of your home are running at the same time. Now, set a timer for 30 minutes and monitor the various areas of your home for any flooding. You may notice that the water is discolored, and that's okay. But if the color has not returned to normal after the flushing process, contact your water supplier for more information. After 30 minutes has passed, return to the first location on the lowest level of your home and turn off the faucet. Continue turning off the faucets in your home in the same order that you turned them on. Remember how we bypassed the water softener in the beginning? Go back and take a look at the manual or call your equipment supplier for assistance in manually initiating a regeneration cycle. Go back to your water heater and reopen the supply valve. We also recommend that you flush your water heater at this time. Check the owner's manual for assistance. Now that you've completed flushing the whole house, it's a good idea to flush each kitchen and bathroom tap one at a time for at least 10 minutes. Then clean, reinstall, or replace any aerators, screens, filters, or shower heads that you previously removed. Now let's talk about appliances. Does your refrigerator have a water dispenser? If so, grab a bucket and fill it up for 5 minutes. You may need to stop and dump the water in your sink a few times. Once that's completed, change the filter associated with your water dispenser. What about ice makers? Let the ice maker's container fill up completely. Then dump out all of that ice and clean the compartment out. Replace any filters associated with the ice maker and you're ready to go again. If you have more than one fridge with these capabilities, make sure you follow these steps for each one. And finally, if you use humidifiers or a CPAP machine or any other device that is connected to a water supply, be sure to throw away any used water and rinse that device with clean water prior to using them again. Do you have any more questions? Maybe you need help installing a new water filter or cleaning out the aerators in your faucet. You can find that information and more by visiting michigan.gov/myleadsafe. Thanks for watching.